Check mic. Ayan. Another great evening para sa atin lahat. PSEi, grabe. 7266 this day. We're up 0.64% lang naman. But then again, we are... Look at the chart. Look at the chart. There it is. We're playing above Bollinger Bands right there. So that's momentum for PSEi. Kaso nga lang, the volume still not really picking up. We're reaching RSI high levels. So... kind of tricky right now. We're reaching the all-time, hindi naman all-time, maybe after the pandemic na all-time highs. After the pandemic, di ba? Hindi naman all-time, but highest point after the pandemic. So it's very good that we're doing that. Hopefully magtuloy-tuloy di ba? Kasi para maganda naman sa mga positions natin. Congratulations sa mga pumasok, sa mga positions nila, at mga nanalo. PSEi is looking very, very good. Please share this video. A little request from my end bago tayo magsimula. Please share this video to your friends, to your relatives. Kung may mga kaibigan kayo gusto magsimula sa stock market, this is a very good program for them. Especially sa mga trading groups ninyo kung saan maraming newbies ang nagjo-join everyday. Alright, yun yung gusto nating i-reach, and I hope, hopefully I've earned this request from you guys. Please share this video to your trading groups para yung mga newbies doon ma-reach natin. Please help me and Stocks Ed and Financial Freedom 101's goal to guide newbies in their stock market journey. Right? Sabay-sabay tayo di ba? Let's get rich together nga. So, let's guide them para wag silang tumigil sa stock market. Karamihan ng mga newbies, once napaso, di na nagko-continue. A good friend of mine earlier, hindi naman good friend, pero I've met him online also, want to partner up with us. Tapos humingi siya ng tulong sa ano niya, sa portfolio niya, and it needs help. Right? And this is what's happening to the newbies. He's down 1 million pesos. Grabe. Right? I don't have to name his name, pero yun yung gusto nating iwasan. If you we don't want Filipinos to experience this in the Philippine Stock Exchange. Kahit na umakit yung market, nag-negative 1 million pesos siya because he doesn't really know what he's doing. Akala niya bili lang daw ng bili sa stock market, and the market will do its thing, which is not the case. And ayun nga, naipit. So we want to reach newbies like that guy and more newbies para magabayan natin sa journey nila. So please share this video. Paki-share po itong video na ito. Thank you so much. Hopefully na-share nyo na. Ishi Marimat, magandang gabi. Good evening. Jose Lumba, M-Wide Poser. M-Wide News Poser. Hey, Insights, good evening. May development ba sa M-Wide? I think that will cost M-Wide a lot. Alright, so, pero nag-bounce sa support ha, si M-Wide. Alright, so, hopefully, I'm not sharing the screen. I'm sharing the intermission. Alright, so M-Wide, nag-bounce naman sa support niya. So, that's good. Yun nga lang, natatakot ako sa news na yun. Baka may negative impact pa. But somehow, it is respecting support pa rin si M-Wide. So, that's good at the very least. Pero ngayon, ayoko munang paglaruan pag may ganun So, I cannot recommend M-Wide just yet. I did recommend M-Wide dito. We were able to win at that point. Some took profits during this point. So, congratulations. Pero ngayon, with the news, natatakot ako. Ayoko munang paglaruan si M-Wide. Janer ba or Janer? Sabi kasi ni Arnel Capon, Janer Dianyo Napaka-Pinoy ko talaga. Bisayang-Bisaya Janer. Janer pala daw yan. I'm not really sure how to pronounce your name, man. Pasensya na. Sir, balita about sa kaso ng Malampaya. Right, effects on Dennis Uy stocks. Actually, hindi ko na hindi ko na tingnan yan. So, I'm gonna be checking out that news tonight. Hindi ko muna ma-check muna, pre. Laura Napa, good evening. Good evening, Laura. How are you? Sir, do you know Bell Chris, right? Bell Corporation. Sorry, Bell Chris tuloy. The resort. Nag-listing, nag-ano to sila dati, di ba? Yeah, they mentioned na magde-delist sila pero hindi natuloy. Bell Corp, right? Doing well, right? This is a good company actually. Second quarter is doing well. We were expect 268%. That's good numbers right there. I would say this is looking well. Antayin mo mag-bounce, man. Good find. This is from... Tama yung sa'yo, Sir Janer. Alright. Tama, ang Bisaya. Janer Dianyo. Alright. I'm gonna go to YouTube really quick and switch to our music lang muna. Uy, may music to my ears. May nagpadala ng stars. Teka lang I wanna make sure may background music rin tayo. So, I think it's good. Nakapatay kasi yung ano ko. I won't be hearing the background music para hindi ko kailangan sumigaw. Right? Kasi when I hear so many things in the headphones, may pagkabingi ako, tell you honestly, kaya lagi akong sumisigaw, kaya nauubos kagad yung energy ko. Kasi may pagkabingi ako. So the music is there. Yeah, I'm able to hear it. Let's start with this one right here. Alright. So, going to the comments, sa YouTube naman, magandang gabi sa inyo. Vincent Pascual, good evening sir. Laura Napa. Uy, dito rin, nanonood si Laura Napa. So both on YouTube and Facebook. Dice, good evening, Sir Lloyd, and to everyone. Regarding Izanagi lang, Sir Lloyd, seems may some bug po yung bot. Hindi na close yung mga dapat naka-close na trades. I need to manual from trades kanina. I'm not really sure about the bug. Bakit hindi na close? Can you message the admin? Alright? Please message the admin. What's up? Right? Usually that happened before. Nangyari yan noon kasi yung VPS naglag, so hindi na close yung hindi na close yung positions. But yeah, please tell the admin, right? Let the admin know about it, okay? Thank you so much for letting me know. I'm gonna be checking that out later also. Check namin yan. Adjust TV, good evening Sir Lloyd, good evening. Pa-check pa si JSC and SMPH po. Thanks. Right, this evening naman, I'm all yours guys. If you want na charting tayo, let's do charting. Yan. Sobrang taas na ni GFC. It's still on the pullback right now. Actually, yung problema ko, si GFC is already off my list. Why? Because it also, lumipad na si GFC, diba? We already had a buy position. Because I'm a position trader. Sa mga gustong sumabay pa dito for swing trading, position trade, MA20 is gonna be the best bet dito for you to get in. Alright, that's for GFC. SMPH naman. SMPH yan. MA20 bounce, antayin nila lang, nagpo-pullback pa. Tingnan natin saan magbabounce yan, saan nyo pasukin. That's for Just TV. Let me go back to Facebook. Jessica, Dito and BSC, sir. Si Dito, mura na ni Dito It's starting to reach supports right here. Baka mag-double bottom tayo guys because RSI is looking well on this bottom right here. If ever dumating yan dyan, I would say mas maganda yung bottom niya compared to bottom before. That's a buy right there, right? So, what I recommend, bodegahin nyo na. Baka mag-green yan, you already buy it. If ever bumaba, then you buy some more. Kasi pag nag-green niya, tagtuloy-tuloy, baka hindi na kayo makasakay. Hindi naman all the time pumupunta sa support kasi yan. So, what you can do really is just buy until, and then do your major buy kung bumunta talaga sa support. So, dito is already a buy. I'm gonna be circling it in this area para malaman natin in the future saan natin kinol sa dito. Alright, BSC. Si BSC naman, ayun. Si BSC, we called BSC right here on the supports. Umaakit na si BSC. So, that was a buy right there. Breakout for BSC also. Hopefully, nabili nyo ng breakout kanina. Kasi if hindi, sobrang taas na yan. I do not recommend that anymore. Right? Naiwan na kayo dyan. Stay away from it already. Look at this beautiful MA20 bounce. Yeah, there were people asking me why I love MA20. Look at this right here. The orange line is the MA20 po. Right? When it tapped the upper Bollinger Bands, right? Where do you usually wait for it? Hopefully, napanood nyo na yung Bollinger Band video ko. Look at that. Twice it bounced, make that 3 and 4 times sa MA20. If ever you followed my technical analysis, then you should have ridden this. Congratulations sa mga nakasakay kay BSC, especially sa MA20. It went up 21% today. Amazing. Alright, congratulations once again. Alright, now antayin nyo nila mag-pullback yan and bounce before nyo pasukin. Most probably, ang next bounce niyan, if we use Fibonacci retracement, wala pang pula hindi pa natin makukuha yung saan ito pupulutin kasi baka magtuloy pa pag-akyat. But if tomorrow mag-red na yan, around 0.65 and last is 0.62 sa kanyo pasukin for BSC. But congratulations once again. Cassandra Likigan, thank you so much for the 100 stars. Right? Laura Napa, Sir Lloyd, green po. Let's check out Greenergy. Right. Greenergy. Yun. Mukhang okay na. Nag-break na MA20 si Greenergy. Pull back and bounce for Greenergy. There was a breakout right here. Actually, dito yung support niya ngayon. For Greenergy, 2.29. That's gonna be an entry point. Actually, okay pa to. 5.65 nga lang inakyat kanina. So, medyo risky na if you still chase it there. So, your cut loss will most probably around 8%. So, medyo risky na. So, mas maganda if pull back and bounce na lang. Right? Another star. Music to my ears. Thank you, Dominic, for the 75 stars. Maraming salamat po. Cassandra, Laura, that was for Laura. Green from Ishi Marimat. MRC and Neo po. Let's check out MRC first. MRC, massive support right here for MRC. Alright, if you want to trade this, I would say there is already volume for this bad boy right here. Mukhang magbe-breakout ha. Pag nag-breakout yan, that is gonna be your buy point bukas. Or if mag-pull back, alam niyo saan yung support, saan niyo pasukin. Neo naman, tingnan natin si Neo. Right. Congratulations sa mga may Neo. We did draw a line right there already for Neo. That was our call for a buy. If ever pinasok niyo po yun, congratulations. 5.04, pull back and bounce, MA20 po for Neo sa susunod natin na entry point. Right, so abangan niyo lang po kay Neo. Earl John Ginto, good evening sir. Pacheck po si MM. Unang stock na nabili ko nung nag-start ako sa PSEi. Nagulat ako sa chart niya. Pagtingin ko di na kasi ako nagte-trade sa PSEi. Hold na lang ha. Kasi bumaba na si MM di ba? MM had a very good start in the market. There it is. Lumipad ng ganyan. Ngayon, bumabagsak na. Right, so engulfing pattern right here. Bodega time, Eden time. Right, pag nag-pull back and bounce, that is gonna be a confirmation that you can wait. Pero overall, sa price ni that's already a very good price. So, hindi natin alam kasi kung magpo-pull back pa yan or bounce. Right, perfect scenario lang yon. Kung mag-pull back and bounce, yung linya natin dito nawala. So, that's a support. I would say buy it already. If ever it goes further down, major support, and then trade it right there, cut loss below that. I don't think it's still gonna go down, but if in case I'm wrong, cut loss nyo lang. Ganun lang. Right? For Eljan Ginto. Ramin Sepasi. Hello, Sir Lloyd. Ask ko lang any advice sa leverage po. Any advice sa leverage? I will say, ito ha. If you're trading Forex, if you're trading Forex and you're using leverage or sa eToro or any other broker out there that allows you to use leverage, ganito lang, right? The lower the volatility, right? Meaning, mas mahina ang galaw ng stock, the higher leverage you use. Pero if volatile ang isang asset, use less leverage. Ang purpose kasi ng leverage, especially in Forex, is because in Forex, mahina yung galaw, right? 0.01 cents, 0.02 cents, 2 cents, 2 cents na pala yun. 0.02, 0.01, napakalit ng galaw, right? Minsan lang kumikilos yan ng piso, ganito, ganyan. So, because of the low volatility in Forex, we use high leverage trading, right? If ever, sa crypto, right? If it's time for volatility, do not use leverage kasi ang mangyayari niyan, magle-leverage kayo, ang bilis nyo pag nag-volatile yan, grabe gumalaw pababa, may hit lang yung stop loss nyo for it to just recover and masasayang lang ang pera ninyo. So, avoid high leverage if the stock is highly moving, grabe yung volatility. Use higher leverage if ever yung movement ng asset is mabagal, sobrang bagal. No volatility or sideways yung trend, yan, mas maganda, mas sa taas ang leverage, right? So, that's a little tip about leveraging. JG Miares, good evening, Sir Lloyd. Please check AT, right? Let's check out AT, right? Pull back na sa AT. Next bounce kay AT, sa kanyo pasukin. Good evening, Sir Lloyd. Please check AT. Lover, yes, sir. Hello, sir. This is from Lover. And good evening. Dominic Conda, thank you so much for the stars once again. Gigi Miares, please check AC din po. Ayala Corporation. Good evening, sir. Need ba na verified yung XM account para makapag-deposit and pa-check din po nandito? Thank you, sir. Yes po, kailangan nyo po i-verify yung XM account niyo. Right, if it's a legitimate broker, it will really ask for you to verify your accounts. They're mandated by law to verify the users. It's called KYC, know your clients, para iwas sa mga money laundering, right? Right, so asan ako? 68 starts from Hindi naman star yan. Linuloko mo ako, Lover. AC for Gigi Meares. AC, yan, in your resistance kay AC, it's doing a pullback right now. Tingnan natin saan. Any pullback, and it's already doing a pullback. Any bounce to the future will be your next entry point for AC if you still want to enter AC. Tech and ADA, this is from Beverly. This is from Beverly Aguila. Right, so Tech and ADA. So, ganda na Tech right? Tech with divergence right there. If you want to trade this, I would say this is a good trade, right? If you want to trade this, that's gonna be a buy. Just in case we're wrong, just cut loss below that support right there. For what do you call this? For Tech. Okay? And then, next naman is ADA, Cardano. ADA USDT. Right, Cardano. Musta na si Cardano? Oh, grabe yung support ni Cardano. That's still a buy right there. Medyo huli si Cardano. Humihiwalay siya kay Bitcoin sa paggalaw. But with Bitcoin resurgence, they should go up. So, kaysa gusto niyo mag-trade, ito, I love this trade. This is support right here. Divergence is looking up already. Tingnan nyo, dito yung pinakamababa sa divergence. So, maakit na yan siya dyan. This is a buy for me, right? I would say this is a buy sa support. Kung gusto nyo mag-cut loss, you can cut your losses below this support right here. Pero this is a good time to accumulate ADA, right? This is a good trade. Ito yung mga gusto ko mga trades from you guys. Good job, Beverly, for spotting this. Ang ganda ng mga pinili mo na mga assets. Love these assets. Ang ganda ng mga positions niya. Okay? Okay, moving forward. Kalimutan ko ulit. Korean yung name nag-PM ako, may conversation kami nito sa Messenger. Good evening, sir. Need ba mag-verify? Yes, need yung verified yung account. Kier, Asen. I don't care. Care. Right, so this is 10% bounce kanina. I would love for this to pull back and bounce. Maka dead cat bounce lang to. Kasi overall, pag pumula yan, that is the confirmation of a downtrend. So, let's let it pull back and then let's see if ever mag-support siya before you want to enter ASEN. Okay? Maria Mangawang. Meg po. Let's check out Mega World. May sell signals ba tayo kay Mega World na? Ooh, makit na naman. Congratulations. May resistance kay Mega World. So, alam nyo saan magbebenta. It's not a buy because it's reaching resistances already. Dennis Mundo, Wilcon Pugser, pasilip. Salamat. Let's check out Wilcon. Time check, it's 8:21. Sorry, wrong spelling. Alright, Wilcon. Hirap sabihin eh. It's a lower high. Doji siya kanina. The signals are not clear. I will stay away from it pag ganyan. If ever hindi siya parang love life lang. Kung hindi klaro yung mga hints niya, wag na. Right? Ibig sabihin yan, hindi ka gusto. Maghugot ba? Basta pag hindi clear yung signals, man, stay away from it, right? Masasaktan lang kayo niyan. Asan na ako? Rain, hello Rain. Hello sir, PNB and PX. Let's check it out. PNB and PX, right? Ako yung nagiging doktor niyo sa puso tsaka doktor niyo sa port ninyo, PNB, somehow, maiksi lang yung bounce ni PNB. It was a very good call right here. Ping-waping, I have my eyes on you. Hopefully, nakapagtinda ka na. But yeah, if ever, balikan natin support. Definitely a buy for PNB. So, yeah. Paul Mentera, good evening, sir. Late ako tonight. Thoughts niyo po kay AP. Tingnan natin mamaya. Madadaan ko naman yung comment mo talaga. Dalawa kasi yung comment monitor ko. Minsan napapansin ko bigla yung nakikita niyo sa screen. Pero pinupuntahan ko lagi yung nauuna kasi muna. And PNB, PX, right? Philex Mining. Let's check out PX. Chris Leasa, good evening, Sir Lord. Ask ko sana kahapon ng BSC, lumipad na pala. Right? So, hindi JPX, PX lang. Right? Philex Mining, there it is. Philex Mining. Yan, Philex Mining, MA20 is our bounce area. So yeah, BSC, tingnan natin si BSC. Ito, ang lakas ng bounce na BSC kanina. But yesterday was not the right entry actually. This right here is the right entry. Kita nyo yung green na yan? Yan. Yan yung perfect entry. MA20 bounce, that's your confirmation right there. You should have entered there for BSC. I'm not really sure if I called it, if may nasabihan na yun na MA20 bounce. But yeah, usually if I see MA20 bounces, I usually call it. So, I can't remember lang na wala yung drawing natin kay BSC. So, yeah. Good day. This is from Daniel Sierra. Good evening po, sir. Dami ko po natutunan sa inyo. I had been watching your stream since 2018. Insights po. Gabi It's already, we're entering almost at 2022. Or 2018, nanonood na si Daniel sa atin. Thanks, man. Insights po kay Baba and Zoom. Alibaba. Let's check it out. Alibaba creating resistance right here. Pag nag-break out, this is major resistance. Maybe pag nag-break out, that's gonna be a very good sign for Baba. Nagre-resistance siya kasi ngayon, so I can't call a buy for it. For now, Zoom naman is a different case. Maganda yung position ni Zoom lately. There it is. That's a reverse head and shoulder pattern for pullback bounce. That's a buy. I would say it's already on a reversal. For Zoom, wala pa ako pang average down. Okay po kaya sila for long term. I would say Zoom is doing well as a company. I'm just not really sure what caused this one right here, but Zoom has been doing well sa finance nila especially. Polymentera, yun, nabasa na natin yung comment ni Polymentera. Andyan na. PJ Carbonell, sir, Primex po. Let's check out Primex. Sure, let's check it out. Primex pullback and bounce before natin pasukin. Congratulations sa mga may Primex no buy zone na tayo. Excuse me, pasensya na. Medyo nantok na ako. I've been very busy this week. Dami kong kinakausap. Sila, Polymentera, I've been talking with these guys in the evenings after the lives. Yung mga gusto makipag-partner sa atin. I've been talking to them lately. Dami kong na-organize ngayon, so pasensya na. That was rude yawning in front of you guys. But anyways, Primex po, pullback and bounce, lover, thanks po sir. PX also, we covered PX already. Polymentera, good evening sir. Late ako tonight. And thoughts kay AP. And let's check out AP. And so, problema ko kay AP, tapos na to eh. Short-term trades lang tayo if ever balikan natin tong support. That is gonna be our buy area right there. If ever balikan yung support na yan. And then cut loss, strictly cut loss. Kasi medyo nakalipad na yan, taas-taas na yun ha. So ingat lang for AP. Chris Leasa, good evening. Sir Lloyd, ask ko sana kahapon, BSC lumipad na pala. Oo nga eh. Jimson Aguila, good evening sir. Kupang. Sir, pacheck. Alright, I'm not sure what Kupang is. Kupang Incorporated. Alright, this is from Nasdaq. Alright, I'm not really sure about this company. Downtrend is intact, pero look at this divergence right here. I would say this is good. Right, supports dito or kung nag-breakout sa downtrend line niya, this is a good find. Alright, galing. Right, this is from Jimson. Right, I love this trade right here, man. Just make sure this is a good company, okay? Please do your part. Technical analysis lang kasi yung binabasa natin. Hi, sir. This is from Ramin. Sepasi, sir. Load. Anong sir load? Wala akong pang load. Ano po masasabi nyo about ETH? Hindi na po ba pwede ma-mine next year? Pwede pa rin naman. Right? Just make sure if you're mining, just make sure when you're mining, at least meron kayong solar panels to power up your PC. You have to be very efficient in your mining, right? Gumagamit kasi yan ng video card and electricity at lumiliit ang kita ninyo. Yes, maganda tingnan sa yung kinikita nyo dyan, but you're not putting into account your electric bills kasi. So if you can turn on your PC for mining or for mining ETH and then may solar panels kayo, you have to invest in that. I would say okay pa rin naman siya. Right? I mean, Sepasi, inulit niya na. Polymentera, you're welcome. June, kamusta? Kamusta kayo dyan? Good PM, Sir Lloyd. Kamusta sa Rome? Not really sure. Tig-init na naman ngayon sa Rome, di ba? This is about around the time, September, August. August to September, andun kami sa Rome last 2 years. Yeah, 2 years ago. Ang bilis ng panahon, no, June? Anyways, magandang gabi. Kamusta kayo dyan? Miss you guys. Jimson Aguila, thank you, sir. You're welcome. Kel Mike, good. Google po, tsaka Axis. Right, Axis, ganda after the staking of Axis, lumipad si Axis. No, not this one right here. AXS, USDT. Alright, access USDT. Tignan nyo dyan. Alright, it's now resting at MA20. I would say, medyo tagilid yung technical analysis natin. It's a triangle pattern. It's a neutral pattern right there. I don't want to trade this since it's up there, right? You know me, I'm a position trader. Pero kung gusto niyo talaga i-trade to, if it breaks out from this triangle pattern, that's gonna be your entry point. Let me go to YouTube. Meron dito mga request. Lengen, Feliciano, DMC and SEC. Let's check out DMC. Medyo nasa taas to si DMC, Alright, so nasa taas DMC, no trade. That's a no trade zone for me. Stay away from it. RSI, from RSI, SEC, all-time highs also. No buy zone. I will stay away from it also. Kahit na lumilipad yan, right? It's okay. After respective X date, WTD? What do you mean what do you mean by WTD? Right? Dividends, maglalabas na sila ng dividends. 1.75, right? How much percentage of that is that? SEC is one of the dividend players kasi. I'm not really sure what's gonna be happening, right? Look at that, MA20 bounce, beautiful. I will not trade this. Sobrang taas niya na. Nice, Lloyd, pa-confirm po if pwede mag-breakout entry si VLL. Thank you. Let's check out VLL. Nasa support yung si VLL, right? Nga pala, yun. So VLL, we call it for the support buy right there. Congratulations. Nasa resistance na tayo. Yeah, I would say, okay. Meron tayong secondary resistance dito. Hopefully ma-reach niya yan. But yeah, pag nag-breakout to, that's gonna be an entry point for VLL. Good find. This is from Dice. OMS, Oileru, Sir Lloyd, mas mabigat ba yung BSC kaysa all day? Na-curious lang po ako. I'm not really sure specifically ano yung market cap ni BSC, right? Market cap 3.4 billion. Ayun, market cap 3.4 billion. Andito pala sa invest accounts. Mas magaan si BSC kaysa sa kay All Day. Mabigat si All Day, 6 billion yun G Jinro, DMC, tapos na tayo DMC, BDO. Let's check out BDO. Congratulations sa mga pumasok kay BDO. I've been very vocal with you guys. BDO is one of my long-term na mga assets. Been buying BDO nung bumagsak siya, nag-support siya. Binodega ko na to, right? So BDO is one of my long-term assets, but right now it's not a good time to buy. Hindi ko i-hype dyan. Always wait for dips. Magandang dips na ganyan, pang support or mag-breakout. Ngayon, nasa taktok kasi I can't really say for BDO kasi masyado mataas ng market. Marvin Tokay, Sir Lloyd, insight for Nike and FB, right? Facebook, Nike Corporation. Sorry, no. Alright, Nike. Ganda na reversal, man. Pull back and bounce po kay Nike. Sa kanya pasukin for Nike. Sorry. FB. Facebook. Si Facebook, kinol na natin to. Sabi ko sa inyo, bilhin nyo na yan. Nag-green na si Facebook. Hopefully, pinasok nyo na. But that's still a buy right there, man. But bilhin nyo na si Facebook. Ano pa hinintay nyo? Tagal ko na sinasabi na buy na yan. Edro 12, Apple, sir. Pasilip. Thanks. Also, Apple. I've been telling you guys to buy this already. Apple. And there it is already. Lumilipad na naman si Apple. Kind of too late already for Apple, right? I've been telling you guys for quite a while. Pasukin nyo na si Apple dyan pa sa support. And it's earning already. Pull back and bounce for Apple for your next entry. Sana pinasok nyo na yan. Good evening, Sir Lloyd. Pa-shoutout po sa wife ko. Rolena Gamayon na nanonood po ngayon sa Facebook. Salamat po. Grabe Ikaw sa Facebook. Tapos si Rolena sa Facebook, ikaw sa YouTube. Right. Vincent Pascual, SLP, sir, thoughts? SLP, mukhang nagsistabilize na, right? Going red, but for 3 days, that support has been holding. So, I would guess, if ever mag-bottom out na naman si SLP, then that's gonna be very good for SLP. We are on a sideways trend right now. So, the best entry will be this support right here. So, support niyo po pasukin for SLP. Speaking of SLP, yan. So, people, yung mga partners natin are already earning. Nakita niyo po ito. This account right here is earning 129 SLP a day. This one is earning 219. That's 766. So, the current price of SLP na medyo mababa. Right? So, 3.5 ngayon ng SLP. So, but still, 700 a day is still very, very, what do you call this? Is still very good. Okay? So, if ever gusto niyo makipag-partner sa akin, We've been running for a week lang, and then we're already up 100K. This is around more than a week na tayo, right? More than a week, yes. But we're already running at 92K earnings, and this, the number of axes that we have right now, yung investment natin is around 600. Was that 600? Nakalimutan ko. magkano na yung total natin amount nandito. But right, let's say for example, this is 600K yung investments. Was that 800K? Yes, 800K. For 1 week or more, we're already at 92,000 pesos. So, bilis lang ng ROI if ever naglalaro kayo ng Axie sa inyo, right? So, hopefully, you consider NFTs also, right? One of the biggest NFTs right now is Axie. This is the manager tracker right here, okay? So, if ever, right, gusto nyo mag-diversify into Axie, pero ayun yung takot ng ulo, paghahanap ng mga scholars, ganito ganyan, managing the scholars, how your day doing, training them, pwede nyo po kayo makipag-partner sa akin. All you need to do is send me the funds. Ako na bahala. Isipin nyo lang is your monthly income, right? So this is for Axie partnership, right? So I'm open to your partnership. If ever gusto nyo po, send me a message in Financial Freedom 101, okay? Izanagi, I want to invite everyone to Izanagi also. This is our account right here. 216% in just 10 months, a little bit over 10 months. Crazy gains right here, right? 216% in 10 months. So, hopefully, mag-join kayo sa Izanagi. What's Izanagi? This is bot trading, right? Meaning, program po ito na nagtitrade automatically for me. So, in this 10 months, wala akong ginagawa. This guy, this bad boy, etong Izanagi is earning me 216%. And that's crazy, right? Automated trading. So, this is passive income already for me. This is one of the biggest reason bakit kaya ko ngayon mag-diversify and mag-focus into NFTs and whatever projects that I'm working on is because of this bad boy right here. Mind you, this is only possible, yung 216% na yan, it's possible because of this drawdown right here. Meron akong ginawang isang micro account sa Izanagi that started July 9. Just want to be transparent with you guys. Hindi ko lang ipapakita sa inyo yung amount. But this is already up 54.66%. July 9, August, September, October. 3 months, 54%. Okay? So, sobrang ganda. Hopefully, magsimula na kay Izanagi. I'm not sure what you're looking for. What else are you looking for? Yung mga nag-Izanagi dyan, put your gains in the comments. Meron nga ako nakita kanina. Meron akong nakita na nag-message sa akin kanina. Bakit yung anak ko na account mas malaki pa ang kita sa Izanagi kaysa sa akin? Ganito. And that's true. Hindi ko na sasabihin kung sino. Right? But yeah. Kasi mas late niya ginawa yung account ng anak niya. So, mas maganda yung positions. Right? So, nung umakyat yung mga positions, mas malaki yung kita ng account ng anak niya. But yeah, this is crazy right here. 54% in 3 months. You don't get that often. But this is again possible because of the 42% drawdown settings. You cannot reach these kinds of numbers if ever you don't risk high also. This is at a 50% account na risk. Okay? Alexis Lopez, 20% na po after 3 weeks po sa akin, sir. Alexis Lopez, $90 po for $500 capital. That's crazy right there, man. Congratulations, 20% for 3 weeks. Isang buwan, 20%. Tunog scam yan eh. But actually, Alexis Lopez can already stop the account right now and withdraw the funds. Congratulations, man. 20% in 3 weeks. Ang galing. Right? And this bot is for free. I don't know what else I can say to convince you guys. Right? Check out Izanagi. Diyan sa video description, yung video ni Izanagi, backtesting is done in that video. That is how you know if a bot is good. If you've already been searching about bots, if you have been researching about bots, that's how you know if a bot is good. Just a video description, yung introduction ni Izanagi, and we did live backtesting for you guys in that video. Check it out. Registration is also there. Tsaka meron akong dinagdag sa video description, right? Kasi if you know, I am also a, what do you call this? I call myself an insurance agent also. I am a licensed agent for insurance also. People or insurance agents call themselves financial advisors. I'm kind of medyo may ano ako diyan. Medyo may reservations ako diyan. But everyone can call themselves whatever they want. But hopefully, ganito na lang. Financial advisors na really is advising about your finances but not just insurance, selling insurance, right? But in case wala pa kayo insurance and you want to get a VUL, right? Send me a message and dyan sa video description yung number ko. If wala pa kayong VUL, huwag kayo magsimula sa stock market mo kung wala pa kayong VUL. You're just gonna be wasting, there's a big possibility that you're just gonna be wasting your time. Masasayang lang mga investments ninyo if wala kayong VUL. Please get a VUL. I can be your agent. Apple can be your agent, my girlfriend. And send me a message at dyan sa video description, 0998-999-430. Right? So check it out. Send me a message there. Right? Si Apple will take good care of you guys. And we care for your finances. Right? Vincent Pascual, SLP sir thoughts, we read that already. M16 TV, Sir Lloyd, mag-bounce na kayo bukas ang Monday. Oversold na kasi. Ang ganda ng position ni Monday, it's reaching support levels right here. Most probably will. Ito yung support niya, 14.61. Hindi pa siya oversold. Right? I mean, oversold levels. In PSEi, my RSI settings is at 20 po. Right? Makita yung linya is at 20. Right? You should, by default, nasa 30 yan diba? And it's already oversold by default. But PSEi is a hard market. I lowered my buy signal for PSEi sa RSI at 20. Right? This is to avoid false signals. Right? Kasi, honestly guys, I know you're starting in PSEi because comfort zone nasa Pilipinas, kilala yung kumpanya, etc. But PSEi is one of the hardest market to trade, right? And that's the reason why lower kay RSI ko to 20. Pag umabot na yan ng 20, that's where I will say it's already buy oversold. Okay? Supports right here. So, 14.61. Baka mag-bounce, right? If you wanna go aggressive, go for the bounce. Anytime soon, magbabounce yan. Guys, Lloyd, about Izanagi, I'm thinking of adding funds kasi ganda talaga ng performance. May need ba kami i-take note before adding any funds? Just add the funds and let the admin know that nag-add kayo ng funds and gusto nyo gamitin para ma-adjust natin yung settings na Izanagi ninyo. Congratulations, Dice, right? Dice, be like Dice. Right? Let me go back to Facebook. Right? Tapos na tayo kay YouTube. Sir Alexis Lopez, anong settings mo kay Izanagi? Sir Alexis, can you post it on the comments? Super sulit po ng Izanagi for me plus yung double na initial deposit ni XM yung September. Sabi ko sa inyo, di ba, ng September, the promo, grab it. I told you every day. Sayang yung promo na yon. If ever nakuha ninyo, good. XM still has the promo. I don't know ano yung promo ng XM ngayon. Pero yun yung pinakamaganda eh. So hopefully in the future, umulit na naman yon. Pag umulit yon, guys, add na naman kayo. Right? It is for new and old clients naman kasi. So if ever meron na kayong account sa XM, just add funds to it, then dadagdagan ulit yan ni XM. Whew! Ubus ang energy ko. Let me go up. Sino yung last ko nabasa sa Facebook Monday? Ayan. Si Chris Liesa siguro. Fidel, good PM from Qatar. Kailan kayo babalik dito, sir? Fidel Calapano. Hopefully, next year. Right? I think I'm gonna be resuming our travels and mga seminars natin in the future sa international. Alright. Baka next year, mag-travel ulit kami dito. Dyan. Alright. It's been a while. Alright? 2 years already na hindi kami nakapag-travel talaga. And we're stuck in Cebu because of COVID. Yeah. So, hindi pa kami mag-travel. Timing rin naman kasi yung nangyari kay COVID. Alright? Usap-usap na tayo. Chika-chika muna. Timing rin naman kasi yung nangyari kay COVID because when COVID happened March, Apple was pregnant and then April, nanganak si Apple. It was a very creepy moment for us. Yung mga hospital, nakakatakot. But yeah, during the COVID time, hindi naman kami na-bore or anything because kakalabas lang ni baby. So, it was fun for us. So, next year, most probably, okay na. Makapag-ano na tayo. What do you call this? Makapag-travel ulit tayo. Right? Qatar, syempre. Ang ganda ng Qatar. Babalikan natin yan dyan. Alright, Google Chika Axis. Tapos na to. Hello sir, Mark Gomez. May issue po ba kay Monde? Why tuloy-tuloy pababa? Converge at ASA nag-bounce na kanina. Monde na iwan. It's not really like that. Tempo-tempo lang naman yan. Kasi if ever parehas lahat, the market will be very easy to deal with, diba? So, iba-iba, right? Iba-iba yung sentiments ng mga tao. Monde being very expensive, at least si Converge maganda yung backing sa international, diba? Fidel Calapano, good PM, Qatar. Nabasa natin to. Monde sir from Chris Leyesa. Stay away from it for now. Baka mag-bounce bukas. Tignan lang natin. Gusto niyo trade. This is the support right here. That's where you cut your losses. DDMPR. AGE Suarez. Alright, let's check it out. Alright, so let me say. Teka lang ha. DDMPR. Hindi. Pangalan mo tuloy tinype ko. Okay. Medyo nag-advance reading kasi ako. Nawala tuloy ako. DDMPR. Ganda ng comment ni Jay Pragan eh. I'm gonna be reading it soon. Sports right here. Right, baka bumalik tayo support. DDMPR. That's gonna be a buy right there. Andrew Pragan has this question. Sir Lloyd, just curious. Sino mentor mo learning all these trading stuff? Normal po ba yung na-overwhelm ka sa stock market jargon? It's normal if you are into... if you're still a newbie, it's gonna be normal, right? It took me around 2 years to really get a grasp sa trading, right? Especially, I entered the market at a good time. Swerte ko, right? Paakit yung market noon. It started dropping 2018, pababa na yung market and haven't recovered from that point on. Pero, sinong mentor ko? I'm proud to say na self-taught ako, right? I had to crawl on my own. Meron ako mga ibang kakilala, but they're not really coaches. So, at least meron ako mga pagtanong-tanungan. And then, resilience lang, right? Reading on the internet, marami namang articles dyan. Wala pang ganong YouTube noon. I tried to look for seminars na ma-join ko, pero sobrang mahal ng mga seminars noon. And that's the story of Financial Freedom 101. That's the reason why I started Financial Freedom 101 when I said na, ano kayo magandang gawin na channel? And I realized na, yung anong magandang channel na makakatulong sa mga tao. Realized na, okay yung trading ko and I already know not really the best trader out there, but I already know enough and I want to share my learning to everyone. So I started Financial Freedom 101 and I wasn't expecting for it to really be successful. Pero yeah, yun yung problema kasi noon, sobrang mahal ng mga seminars. So I wanted to teach what I know for free. Nakakatakot pa magturo noon because sobrang daming magagaling. And people that let's say competition, yung mga competition ko when it comes to pagtuturo sa stock market are the likes of, sino ba yun? Mga sobrang kilala na. Sila Marvin Guermo, sino yung nasa Trader's Apprentice? Si Tony, forgot the surname of the guy. So these guys are way up there. Ako Cebuano, Bisaya, andito, nursing undergraduate. Who am I, di ba? So, sobrang hirap pa. But then again, we were able to go through. Basta ganito lang guys ha. I've learned this from someone, a good mentor of mine into public speaking. Ito yung quote na really changed my life. I want to share this to you guys. In the land of the blind, the one-eyed man is king. Right? In the land of the blind, the one-eyed man is king. It means that sa mga tao na wala talagang alam, kahit isa lang ang mata mo, even if you're not the best out there, you will still be you will still be significant, right? So if ever you know something, maybe you're good at teaching something, or you maybe good at something, yung mukbang video, magaling sila kumain, sumisikat nga sa YouTube and they become successful. You don't really have to be the best. Kung marunong ka magkarate, ituro mo yung alam mo. You will have an audience, I tell you. Right? In the land of the blind, the one-eyed man is king. That really flipped my life around. So hopefully, you adopt that also in your life. Moving forward, yan. PNB and dito. Right, PNB, we covered this already. Anytime soon, baka mag-support. Any bounce, pwede nyo bodegahan ulit yan. Si dito naman, bodega mode. just buy it already, right? Kung bumaba pa, buy some more. Excuse me. Eugene, Miguel, Tel and Globe Sir Lloyd. Let's check out PLDT. Incorporated, medyo mataas na. Broke MA20, so most probably, that's a head and shoulder pattern right there. Most probably, tapos yung trend niya. There is a support for here though, but I don't want to trade this. I'm a position trader. Gusto kong bumaba muna ito. Ang ganda na support dito. Nakita niyo po yan. So those are the entry points. I don't like the position right now, so I'm not going to be trading that. Globe, also Globe, reverse head and shoulder pattern. Bearish signal right there. Stay away from it. Philip Nicoleta, CPG. Check out CPG. Okay. Tignan natin. Resistance kay CPG So, support and resistance, sideways trade tayo. Support buy, breakout buy. Right? Sell resistance if ever makabili kayo sa support. Leo Morota, APL po, Lods. Let's check out APL. Rantabilas, $500 din ang fund mo, and then 11% gain already. Congratulations, man. Super sulit po nung Izanagi for me plus double yan. Ang ganda. Sir, magkano dapat initial deposit for Izanagi para mas mataas drawdown? Even if I will recommend, I will already recommend start with $1,000 if you can. Kung hindi nyo naman kaya $1,000, if you're okay with $500, those are the best start for Izanagi. Para masulit nyo rin po yung bayad for VPS. 500 a month din kasi yun di ba? CPG, APL. Why am I in APL? Right. Tapos na ba tayo kay CPG? Yes, tapos na kay CPG. APL, this is for Leo Morota. APL, maybe, right? Baka mag-support. Bounce support. That's gonna be a trade right there. Just cut loss. Strict cut loss na itong trade na ito. That's for PH. Next naman is PHA. Si PHA nag-bounce na sa support di ba? 8% kanina what do you call this? PHA. Divergence was right there. We called it. Pag nag-bounce, that's gonna be your entry point for CPG. Medyo mataas na yung bounce niya kanina. So, at least try to bargain a little bit before you can enter. Norman, Helmer, Magat, JFC, DDMPR. Tapos na tayo kay GFC. It's no longer a buy. DDMPR, we just covered it. MWC, let's check out MWC. Stay away from it. Nasa taas na. And yung wallet tutorial natin sa land natin, hindi ko pa nagagawa. Alright, gagawa tayo ng wallet tutorial. Emily, thank you so much for the stars. Kape muna sa yan. Pag-coffee natin yan. Alexis Lopez, 20% after 3 weeks on the Izanagi. $90. Galing, ha? Right? Hello po, sir. How about CHF? Let's check out CHF. Bilisan ko lang to. It's already 8:51. I wanna read as much comments I can. Lex Lopez, super sulit ng Izanagi. Rantabilas, alright, $500 rin fun. 11% gain na from Rantabilas. Crazy gains right there. Congratulations. Napaka-approachable talaga ni Sir Lloyd. Thank you so much, Fox. Ferdy, Alexis Lopez, Alexis is sharing his settings. 500 initial capital, 500 buffer, recommend settings mo ng admin, kinuha ko. Right, GMA7 and Texter. Right, last on the comments is Emily. Siyempre, hindi natin nakalimutan yan na lagi nagbibigay ng pagkape yan. Broke MA20 already, Emily. So most probably, tapos na yung trend natin for GMA7. I will stay away from it for now. Right, tignan natin saan siya magbo-bottom out. Tech naman is a buy. Nasa baba yan. Ang ganda ng buy signals. We have divergence for it. Good find. Galing. Eugene, Mer, and SEC. Mer, nasa taas na yan. Stay away. I don't like the position of Mer. Ay, hindi. Okay pala si Mer. Si SEC yung nasa taas. Mer, nagbe-breakout but pumupula. Pag nag-sustain yung breakout, you buy Mer. Ang problema ko sa breakout kasi na yan, walang volume. So, it's not really that strong. So, baka mag-fail. SEC, way up there. Stay away from it. Okay, I guess I was able to answer all the comments already. Melo 101, magandang gabi. Yeah, that's it for the comments. We were able to cover it out. Again, reminders lang partnership with Axie. If ever gusto nyo mag-diversify into NFTs, send me a message in Financial Freedom 101 para at least may passive income rin kayo. Grabe yung partnership natin for Axie. Um, with how strong Axie is right now, it's still very hot. You can gain around 5 to 8% a month with the partnership. So that's still a lot, right? Sobrang laki na niyan for a partnership, 'di ba? And napakalit lang ng investments natin. And then Izanagi and even Valkyrie. Si Valkyrie kasi, yung Valkyrie ko hindi nag-update dito but it's doing well also. Check out Valkyrie and Izanagi. Those are bot trading softwares. Andyan sa video description, yung registration din, should you want to start. Hopefully, mag-start na kayo para hindi naman sayang. Ganda ng mga positions. And, ano nga ba yun? Yun, VULs. If you're planning to get insurance or VUL, send me a message. Andyan po sa video description yung phone number ko. Send me a message there if wala pa kayong VUL. Right? We can help you get one. That's it for me this evening. Alright, meron pa palang humabol. Lawrence Basilio, hello sir, any thoughts on MPI? Sige, tingnan natin to before we end the evening. MPI. MPI, pullback. Antayin natin, susunod na bounce ni MPI. Ngayon, medyo nasa taas pa si MPI. So, stay away from it for now. Congratulations once again sa mga nag-Izanagi. Alright, sobrang ganda ng gains natin. Hopefully, maki-join kayo sa atin. That's it for me. I'll see you again tomorrow. Enjoy the rest of the evening. And most importantly, please stay safe. Let's get rich together. Bye, everyone.